Hi, my name is Mark Cleary, and over the past 30 years I've been working as a healer. In that capacity, I've developed a full-time healing clinic in Dublin. I've helped develop a healing school in Denmark. I've hosted many workshops and many retreats, and this year what I'm here to tell you is I've started for the first time ever an online course. It's an 8-week course, and I started it this year, as I said, for the first time online. Wasn't too sure how it would go, and it's been nothing short of phenomenal, the feedback I've had. So I've tried to bring all the techniques I've used over the years and share them online. What I'm using in this course, the main techniques are some breath work, meditation and visualization. And then chatting and bringing conscious awareness to the people who are in the group. Conscious awareness in the sense of teaching people how our thoughts and our emotions can overwhelm us over time and create energy blocks in our energy system. And particularly if these thoughts and emotions are negative, if we're living with negative thoughts all the time, they develop our emotions, and then they become very restrictive, because negativity functions in fear. So with that fear we can restrict ourselves terrible. So this course that I'm teaching online is about how to release those negative thoughts and energies or emotions, and show you how, using techniques like breath work and meditation and visualizations, that you can release those aspects of yourself. We've had lots of people on the course who struggle with anxiety, with depression, with illness, and just generally people who function in fear. And the techniques, as I said, help people to release all that and move towards better things in life, like particularly self-empowerment. And the big one, teaching people how to move towards self-love, self-nurturing, self-care, all the things that we're all looking for. This course will teach you how to give them to yourself. So the course is, as I said, it's on Zoom and it's over 8 weeks, and you'll get all the information you need about it on my website. The website is markcleary.net. So if you're someone who's struggling in life or feels held back and can't really figure out what's going on, come and have a look at it. There's, as I said, the feedback has been nothing short of phenomenal. It's actually blown me away because it's online and I never did that before. But if you're someone, as I said, who is just not feeling empowered in life, come and have a look, and let's see what we can do to help you with that. Okay? See you all soon.